What's up, my mobile detailing people? It's Wayne back again with a how to detail video. What's up to my new hires? Hey, we're making these videos so that we can onboard our employees that are coming in so they can sit down and watch these videos and know what they're doing when they get out there and join the Hunters Detailing team. And also we're gonna be making a series of videos of how to detail. Me and my boy Reyes are gonna have a playlist for you guys on simply how to detail. And right over here, we have my lovely wife's car that she complains to me because I'm a detailer and I don't detail our car like I should, because who wants to go out and do those things after we just get done doing them? But anyways, enough with the talking, let's get to the action. Right over here, we're gonna start with the tires and wheels. So this is how to clean tires and wheels. Then we're gonna work our way to the exterior and on our way into the interior. So first thing we got right here is we wanna rinse tires and wheels. Of course, there's dirt and debris on the rims. You don't wanna scratch the rims. So it's the same thing with the exterior. You don't wanna scratch the vehicle from all the dirt that's on the vehicle. So you wanna pre-rinse. So let's go ahead and do that first. All right, so here are the tools over here that we're gonna be using. Brush right here, brush here, soft bristle brush. We got different brushes for different kind of rims. And here it is. And we're gonna be using P&S brake busters. We doubled up right here. And also I am trying Car Pro Retire right here. This is just your designated tire cleaner. Pay this no mind. Right now we're just gonna focus on the simple tire and wheel cleaner. And right here we have my lovely daughter. Tell them your name. Hi. Say, I'm Aria. Nice to meet you. So let's get to it. We already put our soap in the bucket. Soap it up real nice. Rinse. You wanna help me spray this? Yeah. Come on. There it is. All right, come on. Come spray it. All around, go ahead. All right, good job. Let daddy see it now. Just get inside. So what I like to do is I like to heavily lubricate everything. And also don't forget under here. So we'll knock this out. This is a spot I forget a lot of the time. So I want to get this out of the way first. And here's your brush, little Aria. And then once we do that, I'm gonna rinse it while that's sitting, picking up the dirt and grime. Simple as that, we're done. All right, I like this right here because it has all my tools readily available. Here you go. So the next thing we wanna do is, you wanna come around and agitate the chemicals in the rims. And normally you wanna do this when the rims are extremely dirty. You can actually skip this step and go straight to this brush if it's not that dirty. But if it is dirty, so we're gonna go through all the steps. Here you go. You go ahead and brush it, young lady. Good job. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Good job. Good job. Keep going. There it is. There it is. You're gonna be a good owner, young lady. All right, now let dad finish. Thank you, thank you. Good job. So you wanna make sure you have an organized pattern as you're going around so you don't miss any spots. Come all the way around. Just like that. All the way around, and also don't forget the lug nuts. I got a different brush for that. Lug nut brush right here. Come right on in there. It's tough to get these ones. Just gotta work with it, gotta work with it. The lug nuts. If you try to use the other brushes, it's gonna break the bristles. So this one is heavy duty for you to mistreat it a little bit. There it is. Then I'm gonna follow up with my soft bristle brush. What you wanna be careful with is, I see a lot of new hires come in, you gotta feel the bristles of the brush. This is soft, this is hard. What do you think this hard brush is gonna do if you go like this on the rims? Soft brush here, hard brush, tires. Keep that in mind, guys. So I'm gonna go in with the soft brush and hit the same thing I did with that brush. And of course it seems really long, but as you get your rhythm and the pattern, it's gonna be really simple. Done. All right, my tires is drying. So let me get back in here, finish these tires.
How long should someone take on a tire?
Tire, I would say 3 to 5 minutes. Matter of fact, the next one we should time and see how long it normally takes, and we'll tell you guys how long it should take. That's done. And don't forget, inside the barrels. And when you're doing the barrels, I see a lot of new hires come in, they go like this. Negative. Get in here, we need some elbow grease. People are paying some big money for these cars, so act like you know that. Get in here, left, right. Left, right. We mean business. We mean business, y'all. There it is. Get in there. Done. Gonna rinse. Wanna rinse? Come on. Watch your fingers. There it is. Got it? Don't let it blow you back. All right, let it go. Mission accomplished. Timer started. How long it should take for you to do tires and wheels? Let's go. And this isn't me moving extremely fast. I'm gonna move at a normal rate right now. It's a normal day, no race. Spray everything down. Let's get under here. That's that. Now I'm gonna come in here this time. Once you remember the order, you don't have to go in a specific order. Everything has to get done. Mix, brush, agitation. Lug nuts. Done. Now, the face of the rims. Everything is organized. Tires. And Miss Aria, would you like to rinse? Come on over here. Let's go. Let's rinse it. 1, 2, 3. Mission accomplished.
2.5 minutes.
2 to 5 minutes, a rim. So 20 minutes for tires and wheels. There it is, you guys. There is one more variation I need to talk about, is the wheel acid. How to use wheel acid. I missed some stuff. I do want to say this. After you finish, don't just move on. Make sure you check your work. We strive for perfection, and sometimes we fall short. So as I'm looking in here, I grab my towel to touch up some little areas that I couldn't get or I missed. So actually, let's just go ahead and put that off at 3 minutes. All right, mission accomplished with that. So that's a wrap for the tires and wheels. Basic detail, it's not extremely hard. As you're using all your tools, you get to develop your own system that works for you. But for the new hires coming in, the system that I broke down, stick to it. And once you master that, then you branch off and say, hey, I see this rim. I don't need to use this brush. I'll jump to this brush. I'm looking at this rim, it's extremely dirty. Let's go with these 3 brushes right here. But you also want to make sure when you're up against the sun, you do not let the rim dry. I don't care what chemicals you're using. If it dries on the rims, it could actually stain them. So make sure you keep everything lubricated. Once it starts drying, you want to spray some chemicals down, or you could even mince the rim like this. Just don't let it dry. But anyways, other than that, I appreciate you guys tuning in for the video. Welcome new hires, and you guys stay tuned for the next. We're gonna be doing wheel acid on rims. So click to the next video. Let's go.